Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to create a LinkedIn banner on Canva. Now for us to be able to begin, just head on canva.com and log in onto your account. Right after, once you're already logged in and here on the home screen of Canva, you should be able to see templates on the left side of the screen. Click onto it to browse the different templates that are available here on Canva. So as you can see under Explore Templates, there are a lot of available. You could simply utilize the search bar in here to type in LinkedIn banner. Right after, you should be able to see different designs in here. So just feel free to browse onto which one you want to use. So for us to be able to create a free one, just make sure to use a banner or a template that doesn't have a crown icon. The crown icon in there states that you need to avail the paid canvas so that you should be able to use that specific template. So there are a lot of free ones available, so you don't have to worry. So just feel free to browse it and choose which one you think would be better for your profile or which one you think suits your preference. Now, once you have chosen a specific template, just go ahead and simply click on it. Right after, you should be able to see a pop-up like this, and there should be an option for you to see the details and a button to customize the template. And this should go ahead and open the editing page for Canva. Now for a first step in here, you could go ahead and try to change first the name. For an example name, let's have Jane Doe here. Right after, below the name, just go ahead and add in or type in the role that you want to have on your LinkedIn profile. Like for example, a social media manager. So let's type it in here. Now next up, one important thing that you could have on your banner is a picture. For us to be able to add in a picture in here, let's add a new page and browse on the different templates for a frame that you could use for your profile picture. So there are a lot of templates, again, that are available, the same thing that we have seen earlier. We'll just have to choose one that has a picture so that we could use it as a reference. So once you have a chosen one, just simply drag and drop it on the newly added page that you have. So we're gonna go ahead and try to copy out the frame in here from the template. So we'll just have to copy it. And right after, since we have added this as a template, you could also change the color of it. So let's try to add the photo first here so that we could use it as a reference for the color of the frame. So let's try to remove the photo in here from the reference. Just click on it and click delete on your keyboard. As you can see, it shows now that you could add a photo. So just upload here the photo or profile picture that you want to be shown on your banner. So once it is uploaded, just go ahead and simply drag and drop it on the circle or the frame. Right after, if you want to resize it, the photo that you have added, you'll have to double click on the photo itself. Let's change the color first. So let's click on the frame and then choose on the different suggested color based on the profile photo. So let's choose this and now let's resize it by double clicking the profile picture or photo inside it. So you could go ahead and try to resize it right after and then just move it as per your liking. So you could go ahead and update also the name in here. Use bold for the name for emphasis. And the next thing is to add your social media so that people or different clients will have easier way to access you. So here under elements, just search in the social media logo. So you should be able to see the different logos that you're looking for. So just click on graphics and choose in a logo that you want to add. So you could be specific as well in searching so that it would be easier. Like you could type in WhatsApp logo and then you could go ahead and add in your number just like this. Let's copy out the text here from the template that we have used as a reference. Now we could also do add our Instagram in here. Just choosing a logo for Instagram and then do the same thing. Just add in the text for your username and adjust it as per your liking. Now, once you have added your social, for it to be more lively, you could go ahead and add in more elements from it. So instead of elements, you could get ideas again from different templates. So let's browse again the templates in here, and then let's go ahead and copy one so that we could use the different elements that they use for our own banner. Like for example, this one. Let's go ahead and copy this and paste it on our own banner. Now lastly, since we have a little blue on our profile picture, let's go ahead and change this element in here to that specific color so that it match. And let's go ahead and do some final tweaks. And once you're satisfied, let's remove the reference template, click on share, then download. So you could choose also the file type and right after click on download again to download this on your device. Once the banner is downloaded, just head back onto your LinkedIn profile. Click on this camera icon from your banner and add a cover image. Then you should be able to see different options, but we'll use the upload single photo in here and choose the recently downloaded banner that we have created on Canva. So there is an option to crop, filter, and adjust. And once you're satisfied, just click on Save Changes. And now you should be able to see the newly created LinkedIn banner on Canva on your LinkedIn account. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.